Hello Scorpio, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your weekly reading, July 13th to July 19th. Career, business and money reading. There's a good news. Mercury is finally moving forward. That's a great news because things which have been stuck because of the retrograde now will start moving forward. So good news for all of us. Job, business and money. Let's see what your card has. Just give me a second. Yes, thank you. I will reshuffle it. 2-3 cards had popped out. So multiple card when pops out we cannot take it. So we will need to reshuffle it. So let's see how the energies are. Oh, I think with Scorpio there is something really, different coming. 2 of Pentacles. Lot of you balancing. It's a balancing, juggling act that you are doing. Maybe it's not. Here it's showing it's 2 things, but it's basically talking about juggling: work, business, family, home, managing finance. So a lot of juggling, lot is happening in your career and home front, and you are juggling. You are on your toes. Basically it will be why I would tell you the Mercury just goes forward. So things which were stuck will start moving forward, and you need to work with that. So basically talking about juggling, work situation, job situation, business situation. Great. So it's 9 of Pentacles. You're feeling, although you're feeling great, but there's a lot of hard work to do. You may be dealing with documents, deeds, signing contracts, and I feel that there could be so many other documents that you will be dealing with, which will grow, which will add to your money. You are trying to make money from a real estate. I feel basically with this, it's a real estate deal, getting you some money, buying, selling. Maybe you have invested in shares and you are getting some money. So good card. Financially it's a good week. Maybe the money doesn't come in this week, but it is like, yes, it is coming for you in the coming weeks. 6 of Cups. So it's a cup like meeting up old friends, old colleagues, business, old partners, and you working towards it, having a good time. You have like-minded people, you're attending meetings with people from your past, with 6 of Cups, and like you enjoy, and you are you are working your deals, your contracts with ex-bosses, ex-companies. It also shows like that. Just one more card. 4 of Rods. So for some of you there is a deal going through. It's a celebration. It's like basically laying foundation for a commitment. So finally a deal that goes through, the venture about the business situation, or even in a job situation, you already got a job and you're joining after 13th, from 13th onwards. Basically it's taking the next level, the moving forward. I feel it's like next level is like moving forward with your plans of expansion. Also there could be that for family ceremonies and all, there could be money expenses. You are spending money on certain occasions that is like you want to celebrate. Maybe it could be your marriage anniversary's birthday or any other occasion for that matter. So it is a card of basically spending money on certain good thing or good luxuries, and also laying foundation, not actually the commitment towards a certain association or job or company, Scorpio. So great week, all the best, and we'll see again in how your week goes in the next reading. So if you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.